What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'm going to be doing another unboxing for you guys. I came home and there was a package in the mail for me, and the package is from Olsa Tools. So Olsa Tools is actually kind enough to send something out to me. So first and foremost, big mahalos to Olsa Tools. Thank you for sending this out to me. I'm going to get a review going on, and yeah, so I'm going to do a little unboxing, and I already took the liberty of cutting open the package just to make things easier for when I, videotaping and opening and whatnot. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so Olsa Tools was actually kind enough to send over some gloves. They were kind enough to send the large and the mediums. So these right here are the Olsa Tools Mechanics gloves. And the part number on their website is 1184. So, let's see. So these gloves are actually really nice out of the box. They're out of the package, if you would say. They're really thick. Seem really nice. I do wish they had a strap, so that the strap could actually come over and it can secure your wrist. But they don't have that. And I don't think that's a big deal because, well, I don't think so. Because most of the time, I can't fit a glove over my watch, so I have to take off my watch. But I believe I should be able to fit it over my watch. And yeah, it fits. So, I guess it has its pros and cons, but, for the most part, it fits over the watch. So you actually don't need the strap, and it actually fits very snug. Feels good, too. Alright, so let's try the other one out. So I was actually talking to Olsa Tools a little bit about this earlier, and they were telling me that all their sizes, their mechanics gloves, they run a size small. So if you guys are actually interested in buying this, I definitely recommend reading the size chart first. Usually I'm a small in work gloves, but I do fit mediums as well. Or I don't fit mediums, but this is the medium and I fit it quite nicely. It's actually very snug. Then again, I always have a problem with gloves because I do have short fingers. So there's a little space for me up here. But that's not a big deal. Over time, I actually learned how to deal with that. So yeah. So for the most part, it's very comfortable, very snug. But it is very stiff out of the package. So you may need some time to actually break it in. But yeah. So let's see. It's really nice. The material right here is a breathable mesh, so it allows your hands to breathe without getting too sweaty and whatnot. The back side is nice too because the back side is made with TPR, and what that is, it's thermal plastic rubber. And thermal plastic rubber, if you guys don't know, is actually the ideal choice for back of hand protection when it comes to work gloves. So it's really nice because they use thermal plastic rubber, and they actually put it all over the glove. Back here, on the knuckles, on the fingers. Really nice stuff. Although I do wish they had a little bit protection on the thumb knuckle, because when you're working, say this is a hammer, and you're holding it and you hammer something, this is all exposed. So, they put one over here, but I wish they put a little more over here, but, it's not a big deal. But yeah. Everything on the back, this coating, I believe right here as well. No, just right here, is reflective. It's a reflective knuckle, so you'll be able to be seen better. And so, the front side right here is a synthetic leather with PVC, and what that does, it increases strength and durability, and allows for more abrasion resistance. This glove right here is actually oil, water, and abrasion resistant, so that's actually nice as well. And it's a little silly though. When I look for work gloves, it's silly, but I tend to look for gloves that have a lot of protection on the back, but also feel like a baseball batting glove. The reason why is because when when you're batting, you actually need all that grip. And with that grip, you're going to also need the same kind of grip on the tool. So that's what I kind of look for when I'm looking for a mechanics work glove. And so far, this actually seems very nice. It exceeded my expectations, that's for sure. But yeah, it's really nice. If you guys are interested in this, the glove sizes run from small through extra large. And like I said before, it does run small, so definitely read up on the size chart. But yeah, anyway, big mahalos to Olsa Tools. This is the unboxing for their mechanics work gloves. If you guys don't know, I do run a Instagram, Tool Guy Y on Instagram as well. I was gonna give this to my dad. I was thinking about giving it to my dad, but my dad isn't extra large, so he's not gonna be able to fit these. So I might do a giveaway. I'm gonna figure that out later on, but if anything, I might do a giveaway. So I will probably announce that on my Instagram. So stay tuned with that. If you guys have Instagram and you guys actually follow me, definitely check out Tool Guy Y on Instagram. I'll be announcing that later on. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a great day. Shoots.